These blazers are up next. What number is this? I don't know. Number 8. It's time for number 8. Hello guys, welcome back. So happy that you are joining me today. Today I'm going to be working on number 8. We are going to upcycle these jackets. I think it's going to be really good. But before I get into the video, I just want to give a special thanks to 3 people: at Missy Grando, at Audrey Lee Young, at Too New for You, or So It Seems. You guys are always watching my videos and always commenting, and I just want to say thank you so much. You keep me going. Very nice to have someone to talk back to in the comment section. Too New for You, or So It Seems. Very cute name. And also, I want to say you requested that we do number 3 next, which is this pair of jeans. I like this pair of jeans. It was just, I used the picture as a very loose reference example of what I might want to do. And I have had a really difficult time thrifting a light colored pair of jeans to start with. I kind of know the direction I want to go in. I'm just having a hard time coming up with the pieces. So as soon as I get those pieces, you will see number 3. And then let me show you what I'm going to do with this blazer. So here's a blazer. It's a vintage 80s Oleg Cassini blazer. Knowing me, I would just go overboard with the patches and the jacket would probably be completely covered. I would put 30 hours into it, which is crazy and totally unnecessary. So I came up with a plan and we'll see how it works. So I have this fabric. It's actually a sheet that I found, that I thrifted. It's got animals all over it. I'm gonna do an animal scene around hem of the jacket. I am gonna do some patchwork on the lapel, maybe just under the lapel. You know, I'm a believer, a lover of Jesus Christ. There are a few scriptures that I am considering. They are Exodus 31, 2 through 4. It's God talking to Moses and he is telling him the instructions for building the ark and all the pieces, the Ark of the Covenant, and all the pieces of the tabernacle. And so he's like, I've chosen Bezalel, filled him with the Spirit of God to make, you know, crafts and design and all this stuff. And so I always like that because it speaks to the creativity that God gives us, and him being the creator, the ultimate creative. I always look at it as parents, even though we don't choose the traits that we pass on to our children, but God does. And so that is one that he has given me. And so I like that scripture because it makes me like my father. And then the other one is Philippians 4, 8, 9. I think I'm going to go with the Exodus one. Maybe we'll save Philippians for another time, but it is one of my favorites. Let me show you the fabrics that I have. Okay, so I've decided that since this is so close to the color of this, I want some, like a break in between the two. And I have these black denim scraps that I'm going to stitch this onto, and then I'm gonna go and cut around that, then place it on the jacket. Got it pinned in place. Now I'm gonna sit down with family. I'm gonna watch some TV while I think I'm gonna think I'm gonna hand sew this on. I don't know why. I just feel like it would be better if I did like a small little prick stitch. It's gonna take forever, but that's what I'm feeling at the moment. So that's what I'm gonna do. I started writing with the marker. It's okay. I feel like it could be bigger, thicker. I don't know. I can't lay it flat on the table. It makes it very hard to write on. So this is what I've come up with for now. I have to lean old girl like this. Oh, coming to you live from the bed. I'm so sad about the blazer. I feel like I messed it up. I'm avoiding getting out of bed because I know I'm gonna have to deal with it. Oh, I hate it so much. Ugh. I'm talking about that. I should have went to bed last night and rested because ugly to me. And right now I look crazy. I don't know what I was thinking starting this in the middle. I knew I wouldn't have enough space to put it all, and it wasn't until I started writing that I realized I like this open and clean. I hate all of it. So I look like I feel. Fix yourself up. Okay, so then I tried to do something creative, which is ugly. And then I put the name here, which is also ugly. And now I hate this. Looks fantastic from the front. My issue is when things don't go as planned, I take it personally. It weighs heavy on me. What I want to do is just not finish this, which means I don't have a video for Monday if this is not done. So I would put this on a hanger, put it on the rack, which means I need to start something fresh today. Start and finish and edit. Or I keep working on this, and this hand sewing has just taken so long. So to cover this up, it's just gonna be a lot of work. And this, and then figure out what I am gonna cover it with and make it look intentional as far as design. So I feel very sad. So here we are. This is what the jacket looks like right now. I feel like it will evolve over the next couple of weeks I still want to get a scripture on here somehow. But I think this looks pretty good as far as covering up the mistakes. I don't know why this was so difficult, but I think it looks good. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. I will see you all in next week's video. Bye. I don't know why. I can't tell you why. Okay.